Hi, good afternoon. My name is Shazaad Nariman Daruwala. I stay in Mumbai. And regarding my qualifications, I have studied up till 12th. I'm a college dropout. I had to join my father in his business. We have got an investment consultancy. We do about fixed deposits and Mediclaim, which is Star Health. Mm, I've done a research on this Kallada family. They are helping in Bengaluru, wherever their head office is set up. You can surely go on this Facebook, and if you want, you have to do a research about them. They are growing like anything. And on Facebook also, I keep on reading their comments. I'm very happy for whatever they are doing. And Mr. Sankej, to tell you one thing, I'm very happy to join this institute because I have seen the comments on your Facebook page that you had inaugurated some office where you all are empowering people during this lockdown. So I don't know whether my message will go out properly to the people, but these guys are doing a fantastic job where you can get offline help also. And even when during the lectures, they are very, very, very like you are just into your school days. You will remember your school days when you attend these classes. And right, and I'm very happy because in the initial stage it was like 3 months. It's a long time, and it's going to take hell lot of time, and I'll not be able to complete it. But the first three lectures when I attended, which was Saturday, Sunday, and I felt a bit lazy, tired, early in the morning from 10 to 12, Saturday, Sunday, because Saturday, Sundays are where we take rest. But when it started being interesting, I was like, when is Saturday, Sunday coming? 10 o'clock sharp. And I used to even, the best part is the batch which you will be enrolled into, you will get a WhatsApp group also. So no need if you don't have anyone's number or anything, the group is always there. You can uh, send your this type down your problems, whatever you have got, and the mentor who is assigned to you will surely help you, or he or she might give you a call directly and just guide you. Microsoft certificate, the Ping certificate, whatever they have said that you will receive this certificate. I have surely got it. I have forwarded to Priyanka and in a PDF format. So I'm very happy, and I showed it to my parents. I showed it to my family. They are also happy. They were shocked that I did it online, and right now they are just suggesting me that you take up a job or you do some business, during this lockdown. So I'm trying my level best to get a job, but it's a difficult time for this lockdown.